In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Teams group. This process is straightforward and will have you collaborating with your team in no time. So, let's get started. First, make sure you are logged into your Microsoft Teams account. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a variety of options. But today, our focus will be on creating a group through the chat feature. Look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see an option that says Chat. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've navigated to the chat section, you should see an icon labeled New Chat. This is the gateway to starting your new group. Click on this icon and you'll find yourself in a new window where the magic happens. Here, you are prompted to type in the email, name, or phone number of the individual you wish to add to your group. This feature is particularly convenient as it allows you to quickly find and select your team members based on your available information. As you type, you'll notice suggestions pop up, making it easier for you to select the correct contacts. Once you've pinpointed the right person, simply click on them to add them to your new chat. Now that you've added all the necessary participants, it's time to craft your first message. This initial communication is crucial as it sets the tone for your group's discussions. Feel free to write a brief introduction or an exciting kickoff message to engage your group right from the start. At this point, you might want to give your group a name. This is especially useful if you plan on managing multiple groups, as it helps everyone stay organized and know exactly where to find specific conversations. To change the group name, look for an option that allows you to edit. Once located, type in your desired group name into the provided field. Maybe it's something inspiring or simply descriptive of the group's purpose. Whatever you choose, make sure it reflects the intent of your gathering. With the new name in place, there's one more step: saving your changes. You'll see a Save button nearby, so click on it to ensure everything is set up correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Microsoft Teams group. You can now begin collaborating and sharing ideas with your team. Whether you're working on projects, sharing documents, or just keeping in touch, Microsoft Teams has equipped you with the tools you need for effective communication. Thank you for watching and happy teaming.